What's up guys, Senjo here. Welcome to my channel Tekso Academy. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out my videos again and again. I really appreciate you guys. If you are watching this video today, that means you actually know what Vidiq it's all about. Okay, I started making this video when I was making a research on how to grow my channel even more. Okay, so I stumbled over some bunch of information which I want to try out, and as usual, you already know what this channel is all about. We go out there, test out stuff, then come back here to give you guys the gist. Okay, so if that's what you really love, you can check out my videos on the video sections. All right, you can check out some of my videos here on how to make money online and entrepreneurship at large. Okay, so hit that subscribe button if you are interested in any of these. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up in what we do in this channel. It encourages us to do even more. All right, so let's quickly dive into what we have for today. Okay, so Vidiq is actually what we use to grow our YouTube channel. That's for creators. So I'm going to quickly go over to Vidiq official channel, official website. Okay, so this is actually for creators. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can actually use Vidiq to do a whole lot of stuffs, okay, ranging from research down to growing your channel. Okay, so having said that, we're going to be I'm going to be showing you how to get the pro version of Vidiq, okay, based on the bunch of information I found out there. All right, so I'm going to quickly go over to the pricing. Let me quickly show you stuffs on this platform. Okay, so the pro version actually costs $7.5 per month. Okay, so we go down. These are the features you're going to gain. Okay, so that's it. So but first of all, for us to get this, all right, for us to get this, I'm going to click on the pro version right now. So you watch me do this, and let's see if that's going to work for us. Just a moment to load up. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the page has loaded. So what we have to do now, we check out the stuff that we're going to benefit. Okay, so we click on upgrade to boost. I hope I am not logged in right here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so right here now it's going to ask you how would you like to pay. So we are going to select Visa MasterCard. All right, we are going to use this to pay. Okay, don't worry, it's going to be completely free of charge. Okay, so but before you do that, before you click on this, you are going to click on this button right here, have a promo code. Okay, so you are going to click on that to activate the promo code, and what we are going to do now is to add the promo code THINK. So let's see how that works for us. Perfect guys, can you see this? This is 100%. all right, so the total amount we are going to pay is $0. Okay, that's the total amount we are going to pay for the pro version of Vidiq. Okay, so this is perfect, right? So I can go ahead now to add my card details and check out. All right, so I'm going to pause this video, add my card details, and come back to check out. All right, so when you click on that checkout, it's going to bring you up to this point. Okay, it says your Vidiq account has been updated. All right, so you can check your email for your first guide and all of that. So you click on go to dashboard. Okay, but right now I actually used Tekso Academy email address to do this. Okay, and this is going to expire in the next 1 month. Okay, so how do we keep getting the pro version of Vidiq on monthly basis? After 30 days this is going to expire. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to come over here. There's what we call temp mail. All right, so once I click on this, it's going to give me a mail, an email address. Okay, I'm going to copy this email address and use it to register for Vidiq every single month. Okay, so this is my email address right now. Okay, picojeff223@submic.com. okay, so this the email I'm going to use to register Vidiq. And when I use it to register Vidiq, temp mail is just called, it's an abbreviation for temporary email. Okay, so it's a fake email. It doesn't last. Okay, it's a disposable email. Can you see that? It's a free email service that allows you to receive email at a temporary address that's self-destructed after a certain time elapses. Okay, usually it takes 10 minutes, okay, for this to go away, but for you to generate another one, you are going to generate it every 30 days. Okay, so this is a way to gain free access to Vidiq, the pro version, and you can actually use this to grow your YouTube channel. Let me quickly show you a little stuff about it. Okay, all right, these are the videos I've done on my channel. Right here, they are actually giving me top keyword opportunities that I can actually do. Okay, so the competition is actually very low, so I can actually rank on this keywords right here, and it's going to show you your total subscribers and your watch hour. Right now I'm not yet monetized. I've not yet monetized my channel, okay, which is the reason why I actually went into carry out this research. Okay, and as you can see, my view and subscribers are actually going down, so I'm actually up right now to work on my YouTube channel, and that's why I'm looking out for how to run a few stuffs using Vidiq. Okay, so that's how you can actually get access to Vidiq Pro. So if you love the values that we share in this channel, kindly smash that like button, and if you have any question, kindly use that comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to your boys channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Cheers.